Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The name is TheCodeChamp, and today on the channel we're going to be talking about free platforms where you can learn how to code, learn all about data science, and learn all about the Web3 technologies, and also every other modern technologies that you need to learn about. I'll be covering different platforms that you need to follow, learn from, and get your skilled up the ladder. Okay, so first of all, I need to say, if you're just subscribing to my YouTube channel, welcome to the growth family. I am TheCodeChamp, and I literally help people get into tech, get into school, and get into a thriving career. And if you're yet to subscribe and you're watching me right now, first, I'm going to subscribe. Subscribe, like, share, and comment, and all this good stuff. So now down to the video for today. I've done a bit of YouTube videos that talked about some of these roles, and I'll link it up here so that you can go watch if you've not seen it before. And I want to talk about coding and what it all stands about. So what is coding? What roles are in coding? What things can you learn? And all that good stuff. So coding is a step-by-step instruction that you tell a computer what to do so that you can create a particular outcome. For instance, if you're building a game, you can tell the character in the game to jump right there or lie down, or different kind of scenarios that can happen. So what are some of the coding roles that we have? We have software engineers, we have developers, we have product managers, we have data administrators, we have computer system engineers, network systems administrator, database administrators, and so much more. And down to what exactly are we talking about when we say what's data science and the various roles that work with data science. Data science is a field of applying advanced analytical techniques and scientific principles to, extract valuable information from data. And it's usually for business decision making, for strategic planning, and to be able to fight competition or win competitions in business. Some of the roles in data science include data scientists, as you should know, data analysts, business intelligence professionals, we have business analysts, we have business engineers, and so many more. Also, we now have what is Web3 and the various roles that work in Web3. So I'm literally just breaking down some of these things so that we can go to the platform. So Web3 is a blockchain-based web, including cryptocurrency, NFT, decentralized finance, and more. Some of the roles that we have in Web3 includes, smart contract engineers. We also have the normal developers, although they are building for the Web3. We have community managers, Web3 community managers. You need to know all about what is and what is not Web3. You need to know, we also have data engineers, we have recruiters, we have designers, we have everybody who works in tech also working Web3, or who works in the regular web also working Web3. So until the training timeline. So what exactly will I advise as a training timeline? I usually say give yourself a minimum of 3 months. Let's just say 3 to 6 months or more. And please do not learn all these skills only in theory. It's possible to just write it down and then you're not practicalizing it. That is not how coding works. You need to write it out. You need to code it. You need to use your laptop. You need to get your laptop and get things started. And that is how coding works. That is how all the technical skills that I've talked about work. So you need a portfolio. You need to build so that you can show your employer or the recruiter something that you build. So 3 to 6 months and more is what you can spend and pace yourself. And at least you need to spend like 3 hours per day doing this amazing work. So now let's get down to the platforms where you can learn for free. So the first platform we're going to be examining is called W3 Schools. W3 Schools has helped so many people grow and become skilled in the tech world, and is not limited to us. You can also get on the train and learn. Okay, so I'm going to be showing us some of this platform and how it works. Okay, so welcome to W3 Schools, and we have w3schools.com. All the URLs are down in the description box, so you can just go through what you want. So learn to code, you can search for tutorials, you can search for, they even give example like e.g. HTML. I'm not sure where to begin. Let's see what this goes to. Okay, so they literally take you on the journey and tell you can learn, create your first web page, CSS, blah blah blah, and all the good stuff. Then JavaScript. Then what's next? W3 spaces and all that. Hello front-end developer, hello back-end developer. But you know what? I want us to go through the first page, which is a landing page of W3 Schools. So On the landing page of the W3 schools, you have the HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript. So you can learn all of this. You can also buy your certificate, so you learn and you earn a certificate. And for real, you need certificates to also show people. You can also learn Python, which is also a popular programming language for the backend. SQL for data analysts and all that good stuff. You can learn PHP, jQuery, Java, C++, and Bootstrap. Bootstrap, everything is right here. Kotlin, Node.js, if you want to be a, mobile app developer. Oh, it's so many. And right here you have machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, data statistics, and code editor. And yeah, let's see what it looks like, assuming I want to learn data science. So there's a breakdown of everything. You have home, and then you get to start reading about it. At the left hand side of this control tab, you have your introduction. You have what is data, you have database table, you have data science, Python, was I saying database? Sorry. Data science. You have the math aspect, statistics, advanced, data science, advanced. You have so many things, and you just need to, click on each topic, and the right hand panel of this platform changes and shows you what you're doing. All right, let's go to the second platform. We have the TheCodeChamp. The good part about the TheCodeChamp is that they also have a YouTube channel that you can go through. But first, let's go through the platform. TheCodeChamp.org. That's the URL. Again, is linked in the description box. So TheCodeChamp comes out saying learn to code for free, view projects, earn certificates, and all that good stuff. The good part of all this platform is that you can earn a certificate so that you have something to show. It's quite popular or seen in Wired Business, all the good publication, what the alumni have to say. They're telling you the various certifications that you can learn in responsive web design, front-end development libraries, data visualization, and so many more. And then you can get started for free. So simply sign in and learn some things. Learn Java courses, SQL like statements, SQL, Python, and so many more. Trending guides, some of those guides are there. So I've logged in on TheCodeChamp, and yeah, this is what it looks like. If you're new to coding, we recommend start at the beginning. We have machine learning with Python, coding interview prep. These are amazing resources that could help. We have relational database, better certification. Let's see, if you're new to coding, let's see what they have at the beginning. So they're like, say hello to HTML element. Welcome to TheCodeChamp, HTML coding challenges. And then you can start with basic HTML and HTML5. Let's see. Oh, this is nice, really. So you just get to take each of them and whatever it is, the lessons. Let's see one that I obviously haven't seen. So yeah, you click here, and this part is where you get to write anything you want to write. Paragraph. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, you have it right here. But you wrote, so literally you can use this as your code editor, and then your result is going to be showing right here at this part of everything. So the third platform we'll be examining is called Geeks for Geeks. Okay, geeksforgeeks.org. URL is in the description box, so you don't need to guess what that would be. So we have their blog post on this landing page. Mastercard interview experience for JavaScript. This is so resourceful. So you can see different experiences of people for helping you get started. Also, we have courses, tutorials, jobs, and practice. The good part is they even have a job board where you can post a job or apply for jobs, so you can check out their job boards. We also have tutorials, algorithm, data science, data structure, interview corner, machine learning, and data science. Let's see what machine learning and data science entails. For data science, it's also very similar to the previous platform that we had checked. So on the left hand side, you can see some of the things they are taking you, some of the topics you can go through, and then on the right hand side, there's a display of what is being taught. Hold on. Machine learning is an essential skill for any aspiring data analyst and data science and all that. So you get to learn Python basics and so many more. We have other things that you might want to learn: algorithm, interview preparations, topic-wise, C++, Java, Python, competitive programming, machine learning, HTML, SDE, sheets, puzzles, and all sorts. Let's see what the job board looks like. What do you think? Because we want, after the training, we want a job. So let's see what the job board looks like. Oh, cool. It says get hired with gigs. No job found. Oh, there's a job. So we have free chat and all sorts, looking for designer, 3 to 5 years, and all the good stuff. So before we even get to the job board, you need to first of all get skilled and know what you're doing. The fourth platform we'll be examining is called Guru 99, and Guru 99 is one of my favorite, in fact, even my favorite, because I love the way it was being structured and well arranged. So we have AI, we have Must Learn, Web, SAP testing, project, big data, defect tools, text management database. You can see SQL, SQLite, PostgreSQL, DBMS, MariaDB, and so many more things that you might want to go through there. Let's now see, let's try AI TensorFlow and see how this works. So you have all the lessons that you're going to take on each topic. For TensorFlow introduction, we have like 4 lessons right here. And let's see what is Tensor and how it works. Okay, so what is Tensor? So Tensor is an open source end-to-end platform for creating machine learning applications. So they literally describe what Tensor is to you right here. They also go ahead to give you Tensor examples, history of TensorFlow, and so many more good stuff. I am so happy with this platform. I love the structuring and everything in between that. So yeah, there you have it, Guru 99. So the final platform I'll be examining is called Tutorials Point, and it's tutorialspoint.com. They even have an option for people that might want to, teach with them. There's a teach with us here button that would, make you sign up. Simply easy learning at your fingerprint. Of course, I love the UI. The UI looks really good. We have development, IT and networking, data science and ML, cybersecurity, marketing, office productivity, business, lifestyle courses. You know what? They also have courses that are for sales. So they call it premium courses right here. We have like £49 for the Python one. We have trending courses. We have free tutorial libraries. This is a lot. We have latest technology, machine learning, web development, computer science, programming tutorials, Java technologies, mobile database tutorial. It's a lot. Big data analytics, Microsoft technologies. Again, become an instructor, and so many more. Okay, finally, I will literally list out YouTube channel tutors that you can follow and also learn from them. These guys are good and they're giving all their resources out for free. Some of them, disclaimer, have paid courses. However, the number of free things on YouTube that you can, take advantage of is just so much that you do not need to worry. So we have TheCodeChamp. That's the first one. We have Traversy Media, the second. We have Blondie Bite, my girl. We have Code with Harry. This guy is amazing. We have Programming with Mush. That is the boss. These people have some of them have over 10 years experience in what they do. And finally, last but definitely not the least, we have the new Busted. There you have it. Lots of platforms, lots of YouTube channels that you can literally follow and learn from their different packages that they're training you on. Some of them, maybe it's AI or ML, machine learning, artificial intelligence, Web3 things, or if you rather prefer the normal web, or you prefer non-technical roles and so many things. So I've covered it all for you. Okay, so this is what we call it a day. Thank you so much for joining in and watching my YouTube video today. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, I'm asking you again to please do not leave this channel right now without subscribing. Please subscribe, like, and share. You can also sign up for my newsletter. And I have something coming up real soon. It's a community that I'm building, and I'll be making that announcement pretty soon. And I hope you'll be happy to join. All right. Anyways, bye guys. Bye.